Okay, let me introduce you our vertical glass washing machine 2.5 meters. This one is customized to connect with the vertical glass drilling machine. You could see this transmission part is very short. It is it is customized and it is as there is also transmission part for the glass drilling machine, so this part can be short as usual glass washing machine, and the washing and the drying part. There are 6 brushes inside, and it is okay for low-E glass washing. There is a drying knife inside, stainless steel profile, and also the transmission part. The washing of the glass washing machine, the washing speed can be adjusted. And the glass washing size is also can be customized according to your requirement. The machine is from left to right. The direction is okay to customize. It is also okay to from right to left. Okay, thank you for your time. If you need the glass washing machine, please contact with me. Thank you.